Dear viewers, welcome to this lesson on angle properties of circle for O-level mathematics. This is our third lesson. I am Dr. Angatia from the MIE. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve problems on circle using angle property. Angle in alternate segment are equal. So let us now explore this property using GeoGebra. So we have a circle with a tangent LK, and the contact point is C, that is where the tangent touches the circle. So we have circle, center O, we have a triangle ABC in the circle. Now, this is a segment BCA, this is a segment, and this is second segment. This one is the minor segment, and this one is the major segment. So we can also consider this segment, this one, and this one. And back to this one. Now, angle A and C. So observe that we have one angle in this segment, this one, and we have an angle in the other segment. So they are alternate segments. So one segment here and another segment in blue here. So observe the angle in this segment, that is between the chord BC and the tangent, this angle, and angle E. So we can see that they are the same. 31 here, 31 there. $80. So it is 80 here and 80 as well. So we can see that the angle in the alternate segment are the same in this case. So let us now explore for the other exterior angle. For the other angle. So we have a segment here and one segment here. Now, angle between BC and the tangent. This is 58, which is in this segment, and angle B, which is in the other segment. So observe the angle. So here we have 58 and here it's 58. Now let us move the tangent. So we can see that both angles are the same. 84, 97, 111, 40, irrespective of the size of the circle, the position of the tangent, or the position of the different points. The angles in these alternate segments are equal. So what is the angle property? Angles in alternate segment are equal. You can see they are equal. So we will now apply this property in some problems. Example 1. Find the unknown angles. Part 1. So we can see that we have a tangent here, PQ, and we have a triangle here, STR. So this is the contact point of the tangent with the circle. So we have two segments, one, this one, and a second one here. So we know that angles in alternate segment are equal. Therefore, A is equal to 48. Angle in alternate segment are equal. Here, same property. This is a tangent, and we have one segment and second segment. So angle in alternate segment are equal. Therefore, B is equal to 50 degrees. Part 3. So again, using the same property, we have ST is a tangent. We have PQR, triangle. So we can see C is in one segment, and there we have 65. So angle C is equal to 65. Angle in alternate segment are equal. And we have angle D is equal to 40 using the same property. Angle in alternate segment are equal. Now, part 4. So we can see here we have 60 in one segment, and we have angle E in the other segment. So using the same property, angle E is equal to 60 degrees. So we now have this as 60 degrees. Now F. F is the third angle in a triangle. So what is F? F is equal to 180 minus these two angles, 60 plus 50. So we have 70 degrees. So angle F is 70 degrees. Now what is G? Angle G is equal to 70 using the same property. Angle in the alternate segment are equal. So angle G is equal to 70 degrees using the property angle in alternate segment are equal. Now example 2. Find angle COB. Find angle COB and ACR. So CAB is here angle at circumference, and ACR this angle. Now let's have a look at the diagram first. We have a tangent or S, contact point here, C. We have isosceles triangle ABC. We have angle at center here. This is an angle at circumference. We have angle 40 here, and we have two segments here, one segment and another segment here. So angle, using the property angle in alternate segment, we have CAB, this angle is equal to 40. This is 40. So then COB is equal to twice angle at circumference. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. So let us write down the answers. So for the first part, so to find COB, we first find CAB. Now CAB is equal to 40 degrees. Why? angle in alternate segment are equal. Okay, so this is 40. Therefore, COB is equal to 2 times 40, which is 80. Angle at center is equal to twice angle at circumference. So COB is equal to 80. Second part, we need to find angle ACR. So ACR is this angle. Now using angle in alternate segment are equal, ACR is equal to this angle. But we know that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So ABC and ACB are equal. These two angles are equal. So let us first find ABC. So we know that ABC is equal to 180 minus 40 divided by 2. That is 140 divided by 2, which is 70. Now, we know that this is 70, and we know that angle B is equal to angle ACR as they are angle in alternate segment. Therefore, angle ACR is equal to angle ABC is equal to 70. The property angle in alternate segment are equal. So this is number 2. Now we move on to number 3, example 3. So example 3, find DCB. DCB, BDQ, BDQ, and DAB. DAB. So we observe here that we have a tangent, PQ. We have a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Now, if we look here, we have one segment here, one segment here, and one segment here. So this angle, 130, is equal to this one, angle in alternate segment. So let us have a look at the first part. So how to find angle DCB? So DCB is equal to 130 degrees. Angle in alternate segment are equal. Second part, we need to find BDQ. BDQ. Now, let me put this 130. Now, we know that PDQ is a straight line. Therefore, BDQ is 180 minus 130. So, BDQ is equal to 180 minus 130 degrees. We have 50 degrees. Why? Because PDQ is a straight line. So we have BDQ is equal to 50 degrees. This is 50 degrees. Now, part 3, third part, we need to find DAB. 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 But ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and angle A is opposite to angle C. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. We already know that this is 130, therefore angle A, that is DBA, is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, so this is angle in alternate opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral or supplementary. But we can also obtain angle DAB directly from this property. So we can see we have one segment here and another segment here. So DAB is equal to 50 degrees because angle in alternate segment. Okay, we can also write this or an alternate method. So DAB is equal to 50 degrees, angle in alternate segment are equal. So this is example 3. So to sum up, in this lesson, we solve problems on circle using angle property. Angles in alternate segment are equal. And with this, dear viewers, we have reached the end of our lesson on angle properties. I thank you for your attention. Goodbye.